Imagine a winter where roads are safer, and our environment is a little bit happier. That's the promise Kentucky is making with a bold new approach to winter road treatment. But does it live up to the hype? Kentucky is rolling out an innovative, eco-friendly solution derived from beet juice to combat icy roads this winter, moving away from harsher chemicals. Following a winter storm that, despite some hiccups, was generally well managed, Kentucky transportation officials are keen to implement this novel method alongside traditional salt applications. The goal? To enhance their snow response and minimize environmental impact. But here's where it gets controversial. Will beet juice really make a difference on treacherous winter roads? Eric Bowman, Kentucky's roadway weather program manager, is quick to clarify. This is not like a can of Mart's beet juice or whatever off your shelf. This isn't your typical juice cleanse ingredient. This specially processed beet juice derivative is completely desugared, which is critical. Why? Because sugar would make the road sticky and even more hazardous. Instead, its magic lies in its ability to lower the freezing point of water. And this is the part most people miss. By pre-wetting the salt with this beet juice concoction, the salt becomes significantly more effective at melting ice and snow. Rather than just scattering dry salt, the beet juice helps it adhere to the road surface and start working faster. What we are going to be doing is utilizing this product to pre-wet our salt when we use it on the roadways, Bowman explained. So it won't just be straight brown material that we are putting on the roads. It'll be our salt coated with that material. Think of it as giving the salt a performance-enhancing boost. While calcium chloride has been a go-to for de-icing, Kentucky is betting on beet juice to offer a more sustainable solution. Transportation officials emphasize the significant environmental advantages and the reduced wear and tear on their equipment. Could this be a game-changer for winter road maintenance? It's less corrosive, so it will be a lot less damaging to our trucks, Bowman stated. The calcium chloride, when it's left in the trucks themselves, it can cause some corrosion over the years. This product will allow us to utilize our trucks for a lot longer. This translates to cost savings in the long run and a smaller environmental footprint from manufacturing and replacing equipment. Kentucky isn't skimping on resources either. Transportation Secretary Jim Gray reports that the state has a formidable force of 1,500 trucks and 2,300 snow fighters ready to tackle winter's worst. They've also invested in new cameras to provide real-time insights into areas that need the most attention. This proactive approach aims to optimize resource allocation and keep roads as clear as possible. Despite all these preparations, Kentucky acknowledges that winter can still throw curveballs. Recent years have seen ice storms and rapid, heavy snowfall that have tested the state's response capabilities. However, Gray assures that they are constantly learning and improving. We have after-action reports. We have after-action meetings every season. What we learn from that, we try to translate that into the next season, Gray said, highlighting the importance of continuous improvement and adaptation. So, what do you think? Is beet juice the environmental savior of winter roads, or just another passing trend? Will it truly make a difference in your commute this winter? Share your thoughts and concerns in the comments below. Do you believe it's a worthwhile investment, or should Kentucky stick to more traditional methods? And what about the potential impact on local beet farmers? Could this create a new market for their crops? Let's discuss.